All right, y'all, we got a breakfast bite, but today I made it. Let's get into it. Small steps, small steps. I'm trying. I said I was not buying no food today. I brought my lunch. But let's get into this breakfast sandwich. Y'all gonna see this and think I went to Coney. I promise I didn't. I promise I didn't. Let them cook. What do y'all know about that? What do y'all know about that? Cracked pepper turkey, mayo, cheese, eggs, lettuce with red onion and tomato. Maybe I'm about to smash. Oh, I needed some water real quick. That was a little too big of a bite. Yo, I'm giving y'all a random haul later too. And this thing, I think it's gonna be good. I'll do, so stay tuned. And I know I've been flooding y'all, but I gotta get this content out by tomorrow. And I need y'all to go hit me on my other socials. Y'all know this going down in a few days. Tap in over there. Okay? Man, that Kendra's the blend. Take sandwiches to another level. But alright, y'all, that's it for the breakfast bite today. We out. One more bite.